Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a progress bar in SurveyMonkey step by step so your survey looks more polished and your respondents always know how far along they are. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in completion rates because people are more likely to finish a survey when they can see their progress. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey dashboard, look for the survey you want to edit. Click on the survey to open it inside the editors. This is where you'll be able to change the survey settings and customize the respondent experience. Now that your survey is open, look for the options area. In SurveyMonkey, this is where many of the survey display settings are located. Click on Options to open the available configuration settings. Once the Options panel loads, you should see a setting for Progress Bar. This is the feature that controls whether respondents can see a visual indicator showing how much of the survey they've completed. Click on Progress Bar to open the setting, then select Turn On. As soon as you enable it, SurveyMonkey will activate the progress bar for your survey. This is especially useful for longer surveys because it helps reduce drop-off and gives respondents a clearer sense of commitment. Even for shorter surveys, it can still improve the user experience by making the survey feel more transparent and professional. After that, you'll need to choose where you want the progress bar to appear. SurveyMonkey usually gives you placement options, and in this tutorial, you can choose either the top of the page or the bottom of the page depending on your preference. If you want the progress bar visible right away as people begin the survey, click Top of Page. If you prefer to keep the top of the survey cleaner and place the indicator lower down, click Bottom of Page. If you're not sure which one to pick, a good rule of thumb is to use the top of the page for a more prominent, easy-to-notice progress indicator. This can help keep users engaged from the very beginning. The bottom of the page can work well too if you want a more subtle layout and you don't want the progress bar to draw too much attention. Once you've selected the placement you want, make sure the setting is applied and saved in your survey. At this point, your progress bar should now be active and visible to respondents when they take the survey. You can preview the survey if you want to double check that it appears in the right location and looks the way you expect, and that's it. You've successfully added a progress bar in SurveyMonkey. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your survey feel much more user-friendly and help people stay motivated to finish it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.